Well, on to the big political focus from Maharashtra. The BJP today appeared to be heading for a setback in the polls in Maharashtra, where it lost power last year. Of the 6 seats of the Maharashtra Legislative Council where polling was conducted earlier this week, the BJP is ahead only in 1. The ruling Shiv Sena NCP Congress coalition is leading in 4 seats, and an independent member is set to win the remaining seat. The Shiv Sena, however, may end up scoring a duck, even though its alliance partners are leading in 4 seats. Its lone candidate was trailing an independent candidate in Amravati. The BJP appears to have lost out on its perceived strongholds, the graduate constituencies, I beg your pardon. Its biggest loss is the Nagpur seat, a party stronghold that was represented in the past by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari and former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' father, Gangadhar Rao Fadnavis. The election that was held on Tuesday was seen as a prestige battle between Uddhav Thackeray-led Mahavikas Aghadi government and the BJP, which is in opposition.
5 में से 4 जगह हम जीते, 1 जगह अपक्ष जीत के आया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को अब स्वीकार नहीं, ये चित्र साफ है। ये नतीजे महाविकास अघाड़ी की स्थापना पे मोहर लगाती है। ये नतीजे हमारे 1 साल के कामकाज पे समाधान पे मोहर लगाती है। और जब पढ़ा लिखा वर्ग हमारे गठबंधन को मान रहा है तो क्या सच्चाई है, ये बीजेपी को समझना पड़ेगा।
देखिए, महाराष्ट्र विधान परिषद के जो चुनाव हुए उसमें जो निर्णय आए हमारे अपेक्षा अनुरूप वो नहीं है। हम ये मानते थे कि हमको ज़्यादा सीटें मिलेगी, मात्र 1 सीट हमको मिली है। और विशेष रूप से इसमें जब हम विश्लेषण करते तो ध्यान में आता है कि 3 पार्टियां साथ में आने के बाद उनकी शक्ति का जो हमने आकलन किया वो कहीं ना कहीं गलत हुआ है। हमको और मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी।
Contesting the elections together after forming the government in Maharashtra, it seems like the things are working pretty well for the Mahavikas Aghadi. Now, the elections were held in 6 seats, which includes Pune Division Graduates Constituency, Nagpur Division Graduates Constituency, Aurangabad Division Graduates Constituency, Amravati Division Graduates Constituency, Teachers Constituency, Pune Division Teachers Constituency, as well as the Dhule Nandurbar local bodies. Now, of these 6 seats, the Mahavikas Aghadi's candidates are leading in 4 seats. 1 seat is being led by an independent, which means that the BJP is leading only on 1 seat. Now, this is a setback for the BJP because the likes of Devendra Fadnavis as well as Nitin Gadkari have been campaigning, and even in their home ground, that is the Nagpur division, the Mahavikas Aghadi candidate is leading. Now, as far as the results are considered as of now, NCP's Arun Lad as well as Satish Chauhan are leading from Pune Division Graduates Constituency and Aurangabad Division's Graduates Constituency. So these are the 2 seats in which NCP is leading. Whereas if we talk about Congress is leading from Pune Division Teachers Constituency as well as from Nagpur Division's Graduates. So this is a setback for the BJP, as well as you can say, independent candidate Kiran Sarnaik is ahead in Amravati Division Teachers Constituency. BJP Amrish Patel has won the by-election to the Maharashtra Legislative Council from Dhulekam Nandurbar local authority. So the BJP is just leading in 1 seat. Now, earlier in the day, even the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, tweeted and said that it shows that the MVA is doing good together. Even Sharad Pawar said that they were believing that they will be getting victory, and it is also the time. It will be a setback because the BJP, which is one of the biggest opposition in Maharashtra, it has more than 100 seats. We're fighting this election on the saying that the Thackeray government has done nothing and the COVID issues as well as the other issues, but it seems that things are working pretty well for the MVA and not for the BJP, at least in the 6 seats where the elections were held. And this is the first time that the MVA is contesting the election together after forming the government in Maharashtra, and things as of now are looking pretty good for the MVA in Maharashtra.